Hey everybody, it's Jenny McGarvey, and I am back to share with you how I planned this week. You just saw the end of December, so I'm flipping back to the front of the planner because that was December 2021 that I redated to use for December 2020. You can see I have my sticky notes with all the information I need, and I am using the Cocoa Daisy Next Chapter kits. I am part of their design team, so I did receive these as part of my design team box. However, as I said in my unboxing, if you watched that, I did purchase several extra kits because I really like them a lot. I am just flipping through the different stickers and I'm going to get down to using them. I'm first of all really excited that I don't have to redate anymore. I am in the planner officially. And that feels really good because I am enjoying this planner a lot. So I am just opening up. This is the planner sticker kit. So it comes with those bullet stickers that you see down there. And then these sheets that are in my hands right here. The decorative, the boxes, all these different beautiful ones. I really, really like the variety of the stickers. And the art in this kit is absolutely beautiful. Now this is an additional, a sticker add-on kit. This is one of the ones that I purchased with my own money. And I love it. Again, I'm really a huge fan of the art this month, which is why I bought extra items, and I really look forward to using them. So I am, for some reason, starting over on New Year's Day, because I guess why not start there, right? Now, I really like the sticker, but I am not a coffee drinker, so I'm covering up the coffee cup. I think the coffee cup is perfectly cute. It's not me, so I'm covering it up. I'm layering one of those little layers and then the cloud on top of it. So now we've got 4 little elements there, and I'm going to pull this little washi strip. I like these a lot too because they are on like clear sticker paper, so it's got that texture. And then I also like it because I can get lots of fun patterns to use as washi, but then I'm not stuck with lots of rolls I probably wouldn't use in the future. Because I don't know if you're anything like me, but I buy washi and I really like it, but getting around to using an entire roll, unless I'm using it for household things, can be really difficult. So that's why I love getting washi strips and kits, because I can use them and it's really fun and I like it. But then basically when the month is over, I'm not holding on to extra rolls of washi. All right, so now I need to continue on. I've put down my recycling sticker as well, and I need to form another decorative cluster. So I'm going to do that on Wednesday evening, but I've got to move my sticky note because it's going to overlap a little bit. Now I'm also using, you can see, a couple of different decorative stickers to pull that whole cluster together. I really like it. For whatever reason, I'm always a big fan of birds that have something trailing behind them, or paper airplanes that have something trailing behind them. I don't know why, but that whole idea, probably kites too, that type of thing, I just always feel like it's really whimsical and it's super cute. Okay, so now we're moving over to the lower right-hand corner, and we're going to do it all over again. I'm layering these couple of boxes on top of one another, and you can see on that one, for example, the bottom one is really saturated with color, has lots of it, and then the top one has a white background with some birds on it. And so I am sort of balancing out the color load, like one's really heavy, one's really light, and so they're not competing so much, even though they both have patterns, if that makes sense. And then also adding another little washi strip at the bottom. I love it. It just comes together and it's all so cute. And I've probably talked about this before, but I'm a much bigger fan of After the Pen, which is why I'm enjoying these Plan As I Goes that I have been doing as well, because I feel like it all just feels so much more rich and cohesive and represents me and my life so much better. And so the Before the Pen, I look at this and I'm like, yeah, it's nice, but anyway. Okay, so in the lower left-hand corner, I've got that sticker. It's got a line for each day of the week, and I use that for meal planning. I had originally thought about adding meals every day, but that didn't work out so well for me. I kind of forget. So meal planning at the bottom left is what's best. Now I'm trying to find mild liners that match, and I can eyeball it, and that's definitely not outside of my comfort zone. However, I have little edges of sticker sheets I can use to make sure they match, so I do it because I can. But you guys know me, I'm not a perfectionist, and so it's okay if it's off a little bit. I don't need it to be perfect. So now I am putting the mild liners all right on top of that and then a sticker right next to it. I like to try to rotate that around. I don't have to. It's not a hard rule. It's just something that I do to make it all a little bit more interesting and varied, but I definitely wouldn't have to if not necessary. I'm actually in the middle of trying out a new pen too to see if that will make it so that it's a little bit easier for me to do this with the mild liners because the flares smear if I highlight after. So I try not to do that very often. I try to highlight first and then write after that. So now there are a variety of different shapes actually, and so you can see I'm adding like a little watercolor swath to layer with that box sticker. Again, it's absolutely not imperative because obviously I can just use the box sticker without it, but I just like the way it looks. I feel like it gives it so much more added, gives it, I don't know, just so much more interest by adding that little bit of extra underneath. And I'm just adding the tiniest bit of brush lettering up at the top, and these are the Pentel. I'll try to link them up for you, brushes, and I really like them, and I feel like the nib size is good in the 7x9 planners, like it makes the size good. So you just never know because that not every nib is the same size and not everyone's handwriting is the same size. So again, you could see that I wrote directly on the paper and then I am adding the sticker underneath, and that is part of the variety. So writing directly, then alternating with a sticker. Now we're moving on to Saturday and the highlighter, and it's just all coming together, and it's so pretty sticking with that blue and then the lavender mild liner as well. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching. I really do appreciate it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I will do my very best to get back to you. Thank you so much, and make it a great day.